So I discovered Michelle one day on TikTok, right? And from the very first time I found her, doing a live video, of course, I had already made up in my mind that I was gonna get started with whatever this is that she is doing. But I stalked Michelle for about 2 months. Silly me, I know. But at that time, I know there was just so much on my plate at the moment, and I needed to kind of free some stuff off my plate for me to be able to focus. So lo and behold, the opportunity presented itself for me while I was traveling, still busy. I said, you know what? Let me go ahead and lock in my spot, right? Literally, before I even got my website back, I had persons waiting on me ready to get started, right? So in my first week, I'll say it's less than a week, maybe in about 6 days apart, I was able to generate $1,200 using this blueprint. All right, fast forward, because times have changed so much. Less than 2 weeks in the company, picking up my momentum, and about my third week, I literally generated almost $3,000 in one day. Now listen. and 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 I'm blown away by this. I'm having fun. It's not overpowering. I get to do this when I want to put in the effort to go the extra mile, and it's absolutely amazing. The community, love being a part of the community. So many amazing people, the great teaching, the support. If you are on the fence, borrow my belief. All right, borrow my belief, and you say yes to this amazing opportunity. All right.
I'm the mom that's always had a side hustle. I'm the mom that has sold an MLM her entire life. I am also that mom that said, I could never make money on the internet. I could never make that kind of money. But here I am, making in 3 months more than my yearly salary at the 9 to 5 that I've had for 17 years. You can do it, okay? I did it without a following. I did it without a mentor because I plugged into this community and followed it step by step. I did it with no experience and no idea how, but I knew the Lord had something in store for me that was bigger than being stuck in a budget, paycheck to paycheck kind of life. I encourage you, step out in faith, change the situation that you're in. Digital marketing is our future. Social media is our future. I have spun my wheels with MLMs for over 20 years, and the income and the change that has brought to my life in these few short months, I desperately want that for you. Oh my goodness. If nothing changes, nothing changes.
What can I tell you? At a 67-year-old with a wife, 4 kids, 12 grandchildren, and 10 great-grandchildren, daily pay has been, and the digital growth community has been the best thing since marrying my wife that I've done. It has provided income. It's provided the ability for us to do things that we want to do that we didn't have the time to do before. It has provided us the ability to pay bills off, put money back in savings. What I'm telling you is, if you're sitting on the fence, get off the fence. Right now, you can buy 4 digital products, and in a very short time, you're going to be able to add an additional 3 products for an unheard of price of $1,000 worth of products for $29. Go get into this community and make yourself a legacy and your family a legacy.
My name is Adrianne and I'm a midlife Gen Xer. I never thought that I would be able to make money online, but we were struggling. We were working 7 days a week, paycheck to paycheck. It was never enough. When you go home, you're cranky, you're tired, you're irritable. So when I found something that I could actually work just 2 hours a day, where that's mean like 15 minutes here, 20 minutes there, and actually be able to see results. 2 days after my program was set up, I had my first $600 day. I was blown away to actually hear that ding and to know that I actually did it. And I'm seeing success and I'm seeing results. Being able to have extra money, being able to do certain things that you've always wanted to do, that's the part that blows my mind. And I can do all of this in a 2-hour day. And the most amazing part is I'm gaining so much extra. It's not just about a course, it's not just about a program. I'm actually gaining so much with this mentoring because we get actual mentoring. This is amazing, but it's changing my mindset. It's changing how I look at life. It's changing how I look at things. I mean, that in itself is valuable alone. This is the most amazing program. We are changing lives. We are building legacies. And now is the time to be part of it.